Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a review for you on Moxielash's new Honey Kit. Now, I did do a first impression review on these magnetic lashes. I absolutely love these lashes. I think they are one of the best on the market, and I will show you in a little bit why. Now, I feel like I have perfected the application of these lashes. I will share with you guys some of my thoughts and kind of techniques on how I use these. Before we get into the video, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. All right, let's get into this kit. Moxielash eyelashes are made with 100% premium mink, so you are getting quality eyelashes, and they do come out with several kind of kits like these. These have 3 different eyelashes. They have a magnetic eyeliner as well as an applicator. I did do a full review and first impression using this kit right here. These eyelashes are quite dramatic, and I remember when I first used them, I was so surprised. Now these ones have 5 magnets on there. The new eyelashes have 10 magnets. This one is the Honey Kit, and it's really unique in the sense that these eyelashes are not black. They have like a brownish type of a honey tinge to them, and they look so beautiful. Also, the magnetic eyeliner itself is a brown shade, and of course it does come with an applicator as well. I feel like the 10 magnets are really going to grip onto the eye a lot better than the 5 magnets. Let's see, let's go ahead and try them out and see how they work. So just a close-up on these lashes. There are 3 different lashes. There's the honey lash, the yummy lash, and the sugary lash. Really love the names of these lashes. Now first off, we have the magnetic eyeliner. So there's several techniques with this eyeliner. I remember when I first used this, or with my first impression video, I felt that the formula is so thick, and of course it's going to be thick because it does have a magnetic kind of component to it. So one of the things is you have to, it's a must, to shake this before you use it. So I do recommend that you do definitely shake this product before you use it, or otherwise it's going to be very lumpy. Now this is a cocoa shade, and oh, very pretty. And it complements the eyelashes very well. Something else very important is you need to let this formula dry down. So if you apply it on and you apply those eyelashes right away, it's really not going to do anything. So make sure to shake it, and when you apply it, make sure it's dried down. Another technique is when you're applying this product, look down when you apply it, just because it will adhere to your natural eyelashes, and that's something you do not want. First off, it is a magnet, so when you come to apply the eyelashes, your eyelashes are going to really adhere to your natural lashes instead of to kind of the top part of your skin. Something else is I am terrible at using this type of liner onto my eyes. I just don't have that grip into using it and creating the cat liner that I normally love. So what you can do is you can apply your normal eyeliner. I love using the Quick Flick stamp, and I do have a full review on those eyeliners. It's all I use. They make it so easy to create a cat type of eyeliner, and just apply this magnetic eyeliner right on top. So that's what we're gonna do right now. I'm just gonna make sure to shake this very well. And then I'm going to add the liner right on top of my current liner. So that is the cocoa liner. Very pretty. I really love the shade, and I think it's going to complement the lashes very well. But now it's all dried down, so let's go ahead and try out these lashes. Now these are the honey lashes, so let's go ahead and try them out. So there's the honey lash. They just apply so easily, and this is such a beautiful lash. It's so easy, literally in seconds. You just apply it and you're good to go. If you notice, these 10 magnets really look great because they just really adhere onto the eyes perfectly. They look so good. That is the Honey Lash, very pretty and actually an everyday type of lash. Really beautiful. I love the color, and even though it's not black, I think it looks great on the eyes. Okay, so I'm just gonna remove these and we're gonna just apply the next set. This next set is the Yummy Lash. Just like the first one, just gonna apply it on. Super simple. That looks so beautiful. Just as easy as that. So that's the Yummy Lash. Really full, and I love how vibrant it just opens up your eyes so much. Let's take these off and apply the final lashes. So these ones are the Sugary Lashes. I know these are gonna be the most dramatic out of the three. Wow, so feathery and beautiful. So pretty. I really like to apply the left side with my hand just because I'm right-handed. I just find it's so much easier for me. And as you see, very easy. And that is the Yummy Lash. So beautiful and full. Love these sets. I love that even though these are quite dramatic, they're still quite wearable, and I really love the color. Okay, let's zoom you guys out and I'll let you know my thoughts. These lashes are definitely so worth it. I love this kit. I love the color of these lashes. I think they're so unique, but they work. They're not something that's kind of colorful. If you have highlighted hair like I do, if you have brown hair, these would be perfect for you. I think the Honey Lash is perfect for every day. If you have a daytime type of function, they are perfect for it. They're not quite as full as the other two sizes, but still full enough for them to be perfect. The Yummy Lash is the in-between lash. You can still wear them during the day, but they're definitely more dramatic than the first set that I applied on. Definitely still very wearable and very full. The Sugary Lash is what I'm wearing right now. So full, so dramatic, definitely still very wearable. I think these lashes are great for an evening night out. So perfect, a great set. If you have brown hair or highlighted hair, I think you will love this set. And that's it for my updated review of the Moxielash magnetic eyelashes. If you guys are interested in this set or any of their eyelashes on their website, be sure to use my discount code. It is in the description box below, so be sure to utilize it. I love these lashes so much. They definitely are my go-to. I don't use any other false lashes. They're 100% mink lashes. They're high quality and they're so easy to use. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already and hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.